Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. Having a magical day. Alright, this is another walking video for the hashtag 30 for 30 walking challenge hosted by Simply Katie Walks. Day 14, I believe. Alright, before I play this with you, I want to say a huge thank you for anyone that has left positive comments and support, and for people that say that I'm a huge inspiration, thank you so much. That makes my heart happy quite a bit. You'll hear all this again in the video, but I just want to say it one more time in case you can't hear my video very well. Thank you so much. For anyone that's new to my channel, in the last few days or weeks, I'm doing a walking challenge hosted by Katie from Simply Katie Walks, and this is a huge deal to me because I struggle with fibromyalgia. I have severe arthritis in my neck and in my knees. And I was born with a severe case of scoliosis. It's a genetic thing that I had to have surgery on when I was 12. And so I've got metal bars starting from the top of my neck going all the way down to the bottom of my spine. So I have always known pain. And the older I get and the more things I get diagnosed with, I'm in a lot of pain every day. I do know that I need to get healthier and get stronger. I'm in this challenge to get healthy. It's less about my overall appearance and more about I want my muscles to get stronger so I can support myself better. My main goal is to move from the walker to the cane, and then from the cane, maybe just on my own. So even after this challenge, I will continue with this challenge, but I will only film on Saturdays, and because this is a crafting channel, not a weight loss channel. So after this challenge, I will film on Saturdays. I'll film my walking. I'll check in and tell you how much I've walked throughout the week. Kind of like a health check-in that will still keep me accountable, you know. I also want to be a little bit more vulnerable with you guys and let you know my weight, because I do check in on my weight. I weigh myself every Saturday, and I think I might start telling you guys what I'm weighing at. And that scares me because if anybody leaves any negative feedback, I will probably delete you or block you, because this channel is all about positivity, moving forward, supporting each other, love, lots of love, okay? So, I'm going to share my weight with you and see if I had lost anything. Since I've started this challenge, I have lost 3 pounds. Yes, I have. So, I'm very proud of myself. Alright, okay, well, I'll stop rambling and I'll get to the video here. Hello everyone. This is another walking video for hashtag 30 for 30 2025, hosted by Simply Katie Walks. And today is day 14, and we're going to go around the building again today. Hi, cameraman. You okay?
Yep.
There's a big gap right
clouds in sight.
It's a beautiful day today, guys. Just beautiful.
And our high for today is going to be 70.
Yeah, our high for today is 70. I'm so happy.
So, I just put a light scarf on. Don't need the big, heavy, wrap that I've been wearing. When we were talking about it.
The light's not on.
Uh-oh. Is it still filming?
Yeah. It says it's off. Do you want it on or it's all fine?
Can you see me okay?
Yeah?
I don't think we need it on there.
I didn't think so, but okay. What?
Like that car that came from our other building.
No. It's parked over there. I think it just turned itself around, that's all. Huh?
No kitty cat.
No kitty cat? Yeah, in the window right there?
Yeah.
Not today. Hello.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
How's everyone doing? Did you walk in yet? Corner of that building.
Mm-hmm.
My knees are really short.
I'm sorry to hear that.
My husband was being ornery. he gets a weird look to him, and I know that he's being facetious.
Going that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Around the office.
The little squirrel friend wants to say hi.
Alright. That's cool.
Is that the one?
I don't know. I thought it was the one in front of the office.
He looks interested in saying hi to you.
The squirrel distracted me. I wanted a drink. It's really nice one.
Yeah, nice day. Not a cloud in sight.
Oh, look at that tree. Got all this blossom. Very nice. Spring is popping up everywhere. Still filming?
Yep.
noticed that the grass is starting to get greener again.
What are you apologizing for?
For not telling you to stop?
Nah.
You don't need to stop.
I could hear when your roller stops rolling.
So Les made it feel like that. Still doing it, guys. And for anyone that's new to my channel in the last week or so, if you don't know, I do struggle with fibromyalgia. I have scoliosis that I've had surgery on, and severe arthritis. And I'm still able to get out here and walk, and I hope everyone else can try their hardest to do that too.
Vandals?
Somebody ruined our flower, guys.
Somebody picked our flower, guys.
You can see it.
Just the tip of it, it's right there.
The kids around here aren't very nice to
Probably.
things, and it makes me mad.
I can walk every day, and you can see me. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm constantly in pain. There's not a day that I'm not in pain. But the severity and the levels of pain go up and down. Like today, I'm probably at a strong 4, maybe at least 5, because of my, let's not say I'm getting my knee. But my goal is to get stronger and get a little bit more healthier so I don't have to depend on this as much. I'm hoping here soon I can do a walk around with this cane. Has anyone seen a spring pop up around where you live? No. I know some of you are still getting snow, and I can't believe it.
You didn't want to do one more?
I'll need to do a half.
Yeah? Like just around and
Never
back
got
over
the
here?
half done yesterday, so.
Okay.
I am hurting, but I know myself very well, and I know that I need to push myself a little bit each time. And so I'm gonna go around the building, but not around the office today. So let's go. It's really, really important to what you can and can't do. I know this walking challenge is 30 for 30, but I've talked to Katie, and she does not mind if you do like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you can. If you can't get out of the house, stand up out of your chair and just walk in place. Walk up and down your hall. I've done that before. Walk up and down the hall. It's just about getting healthier, getting stronger, making better choices. And I think once this challenge is over, my husband and I, we're going to continue walking every day, but we're not going to film it every day. So let's say Saturday morning I'll do a walking video and like an update. I might even want to be brave and share my weight. Check in every Saturday. And show you guys if I've made any progress. Maybe I will even share what I ate that week. I don't know yet. I'm tossing around ideas in my head. And if you guys have any suggestions or feedback,
I'm not looking at anything. I heard something. I was trying to listen for it.
So yeah. So after the challenge, our once a week video will be on Saturdays. With some healthy check-ins, like I'll tell you how my knees are doing, or how my muscles are doing, or if I walk with a cane, or got all my water in for the day. That's a huge pet peeve of mine. Lots of water. Lots of water. And sometimes I don't always do it.
Mm-hmm.
Especially when I'm in my art room, across the way, you have to remind me, did you drink your water? No.
Did you want to stop here or go all the way around?
We're going to stop here.
Stop here? Okay.
Okay, guys, we made it around the building, and we're to our entrance way. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you guys have given me. It really, really does help me to hear that I am inspirational to people. I didn't think I was, but apparently I am, and that makes my heart happy quite a bit. It also gives me the motivation to keep going and not give up. Does that make sense? So thank you so much. So I hope everybody has a beautiful and magical day. Bye.
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 So there we go. There's my walking video for today. So yeah, I know this challenge says 30 for 30 for, but like I said in the video, no matter how disabled you are, if you're still able to stand, then stand up out of your chair and just walk in place. Or if you can't stand, try to move your legs back and forth. The goal to this is to get your muscles stronger, little by little, so you can be able to stand and walk. Walk in place. Walk for a minute. Walk for 3 minutes. Walk for 10 minutes. Walk up and down your hall. Trust me, I've done that quite a few times. I've walked up and down my hall. Because before this challenge started, my husband and I were already starting to walk, and so it was still cold out when we started walking. So there was a few times I just walk up and down my hall, and then go sit down in my chair and relax. I also want to share with you guys what I do to be able to do these things. I massage my feet every other night. So I have a foot massager, and then I also have another massager for my back and my muscles that I massage. I use knee tape to keep my knees in place so they don't hurt more, you know. It's like an athletic sports tape that you can just get over the counter. It's really cheap. I take pain pills. I do stretching. Do stretching before you start walking. To stretch your legs. So there's steps I take every day to be able to do this. And then on days that I'm hurting really bad, I do less walking so I don't make it worse. So that's why you'll see me walk 15 minutes one day or 8 minutes the next. You know, like, it's really important to know your limits, know your body very well, and what you can and can't do when you're at certain levels of pain, you know? So I just want to, highly encourage everyone just to, and I know most of the time, like, if you're telling yourself, yeah, I can walk for like 3 minutes up and down my hallway, but do I want to? Because I know half of it is probably mental. Like, I don't feel like it. Because trust me, I struggle with anxiety and depression as well. And there are days that I just don't feel like doing anything. I don't want to talk. I don't want to say hi. Like, but I have noticed once I have started walking, especially out in the sun, I do feel mentally better. So I think that is helping a little bit with my mental state as well. And even if you can't walk very well, go outside in the sunlight and sit down on a chair somewhere for just a few minutes and let the sun hit your face. That will also help get healthy. Even if you're not walking, you're getting fresh air and you're getting sunlight, which is really important for our mental health, So yeah. Alright, so I've rambled enough today. I hope any of this, I hope it helps people keep moving, stay healthy, mentally and physically, Alright. I hope you all have a magical and beautiful day. Bye.